Now we have for you this Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.5 litre, TSI, Match Edition Evo 130 PS. Now the Golf is a fantastic wee car and it has a top spec as well, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a forward collision warning system, a city emergency brake, distance monitoring, a hydraulic brake assist, along with the 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot is a good size and it comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has heated front seats, 2-zone climate control and Volkswagen media control. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.